Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a DIY Mickey Mouse ornament using only items from the Dollar Tree. Here are the materials that you will need. One big DIY clear ornament, multi-purpose spray glue, glitter, two small ornaments, shipping labels. So we're going to start by removing the top of the ornament, and then we're going to grab our multi-purpose spray glue and start spraying on the inside. Make sure to spray all around so the glitter gets everywhere in your ornament. Once you have finished putting in the glue, add glitter. Then when you are done, move it around to get the glitter everywhere. On my ornament, I could see some spots that weren't covered with glitter, so I added more glue and I added more glitter. Then you're going to do the same exact thing to the next small ornament. So now we have both ears done. You're going to do the same exact thing to the big ornament, but this time just add a lot more glue and a lot more glitter. The next step is to put the cap back on the big ornament. I use the seam as a guide to where I should line up the ears. This is what I wanted it to look like, and I'm so sorry I couldn't show you how I made the holes, but I used a drill and you can do the same. So here is what it looks like, and I have my designs on sticker paper, so I will soon be cutting it out. Tinkerbell, the Disney logo, and the Disney castle with Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse, and now I'm going to put them on the ornament. There you have it, your very own DIY Mickey Mouse ornament made from only things at the Dollar Tree. If you guys tried making this, please let me know in the comments how it went, and thank you so much for watching.